Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Have a blessed day, everybody. God make this day for you. Say thank you because you wake up. Say thank you for everything you have. And if you don't have it, don't worry. God is gonna give you what you want in His will. Okay, right now, about to finish. There's only one remaining. This seal right here. And I wanna talk about tips, give you tips, guys, how to do this really difficult job when the engine is in the car with the head installed. Basically, I don't do this when I have the engine out because this engine is in warranty and I don't want to touch it. But now it was a blue smoking a little bit, and I know there's two things it can be. One thing, it can be the valve seals, or the second thing, it can be the piston rings. I'm doing this because I talked to the guy. He told me, well, you do it. If it's not, he's gonna give me warranty on the engine because the piston rings was bad. Hopefully not, because I don't want to do another swap in my car. But is that the case? We have to do it. All this side done. Remember all what I tell you guys about blocking the oil passages. The oil passages, these passages right here by the valves. It's really important block those passages, because if one of the keepers went down the oil, you had to drain it, and I wish you good luck if you found it. Okay, let's talk about how to install these keepers, because that's the most difficult part. Right here we got the valve, we got the spring valve with the retainer and the keepers. Okay, make sure you put it right here like this, like that. Take the other one, like this. Okay, like that. You put it right there, put it in the spring, and then you're gonna put it in the valve right there. Okay, let me explain you how to do it. That's the way I'm doing really, and I got a lot of success. Okay, when you're using the bridge, this tool, and you're putting pressure on the spring, okay, you have to lower, putting the pressure to compress the spring, and at the same time, put your finger right here, and you're gonna put pressure and go down the finger, pressure and go down the finger to the keepers go directly close to the valve. If you start using screwdrivers like this one, magnetic, you're gonna pass a lot of headache. Why? Because you're gonna take out the keeper out, and it's not gonna be in. It's not gonna stay in the valve. I learned that in this job. Before everything, guys, really, I don't recommend you do this job with the engine on the car. It's really, really difficult. You had to have a lot of patience, take a lot of breaks, deep breath, keep going. That's my tips. Try to do it like this. Be careful with the keepers. Don't get lost. Get a really good magnet. I'm not talking about magnet from AutoZone. I'm talking about a really good magnet. This kit, it came with everything. A really, really good magnet. The valve holder. The valve holder. I'm not using it because really my compressor is not too big, and I was afraid you don't hold the pressure and the valves went in the cylinder. We don't want that really. Okay. About to finish. I'll take off a lot of these really I don't need, like the 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 bottom timing cover. I don't have to take that. I don't have to take out the tensoyer, but you know it was the first time. I just making space. Yeah, you know about to finish putting the last seal. Yeah, that will be it. Thank you for watching, guys. Another video from the Accorman JV61320 J Series Freaks J37a1 Hesperia, California. Jesus is the King. God bless you all.